This is another unboxing video on Eric C. Productions. If this is your first time watching one of my videos, please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you get notified of my latest video that are posted during the week. Thanks for watching, and now back to the unboxing with Eric C. Welcome to another unboxing video. This is another shoe that my son got. It's an Air Jordan 4 Retro. So let's see what we got here. Turn it around. There you go. That's the box itself. Very nice. And let's open it up and see what we got here. Once again, it's an Air Jordan 4 Retro. And let's go and open it. And here we go. Actually, what it is, it's an Air Jordan 4 Retro Pure Money. Shiny metallic. As you can see there. There it is. And it's very nice. Very clean. It looks kind of like a girl shoe actually, but honestly, my son likes them and he's gonna wear them. I hate to be walking around those things because, I mean, get those things dirty. You can see the inside, the Jumpman logo, and then you can see the Jumpman on the front tongue, and then you can see the little silver, the tag right there, as well as the little silver shiny buckles almost, as you can see there. Then, but I think it looks really good. Really sturdy, and I'm sure my son will really like it. Let's turn it around so you can see it. See that? The shiny logos in the back. And then actually, if you look in the tongue, there's actually something right there. It says Air Jordan in reverse. There you go, see? And once again, these are the Air Jordan Retro 4, or Air Jordan 4 Retro Pure Money. So these are that is the name of the shoe. So if you're looking for it, go ahead and look for it on StockX. That's where you're going to probably find it. Hey, if you just watched my video, thanks for watching. Hit that like button